Hey there, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Airdrop to go from an iPhone to an iPad or vice versa. So all you're going to do, I'm going to go from my iPhone, I'm going to send this photo from here to the iPad. I'm just going to select the photo I want, and then the bottom corner here, there's a share button, which looks like a box with a little arrow pointing up through it. I'm going to press that. It's going to bring up options here. I could share it through messages or email. I'm going to select AirDrop, and then it's going to show me the devices that are in the nearby area that it's able to AirDrop to. So you have to be close by for this to work. So I see my iPad here. I'm going to press that. It says waiting, sending, and then boom, it's on the iPad. Now, click done there. If I want to send the same thing back from the iPad, I can press the share button up here. I'm going to AirDrop. I'm going to find my device again. It's going to say waiting. It'll do a little loading bar and then sent. It's automatically over on my iPhone. And that's it. Same thing works if you're going from an iPhone to a Mac laptop or an iMac. It'll just show up as another option here. It'll say like MacBook, MacBook Pro, iMac, and then you just tap that and it'll pop up on the computer as well.